I'm hearing that this person is going to be hit with a serious karma. This person that did you wrong. Thank you, birds, for the confirmation. Very long time ago. Long time ago. At this point, this person didn't know that you were an earth angel, a ball of light, and they literally treated you. It could be a parent, strongly a mother, very extremely toxic mother I'm tapping into. And as this portal is bringing union from within, you are closing an inner chapter, an inner cycle, and actually everything happened in your life is connected with this toxic parent figure. Could be also obviously a dad. You could be actually connected to mom and dad being toxic. Yeah. Everything that happened in your life, this lack of security, mindset, lack mindset, feeling insecure, reproducing the same pattern over and over and over again, self-sabotaging, putting yourself in very unsafe places. It's because actually you have been raised like that. And again, I'm tapping into a parent figure that is going to hit. I saw hit, but it's their karma. Divine justice is here. God is going to show this person who you truly are by putting you in front of the world. I'm going to be very honest. I think this person is going to just leave planet Earth kind of soon, just because you are closing the cycle. It means that the link, the cord, the bond, the tie that was connecting you to that person is dead. You learned the lesson. BS, I'm hearing, are over. As you love yourself, you're not accepting other to treat you other than so much love. I'm going to help you cut this cord. I'm hearing once and for all. So for some of you, just close your eyes. Calling upon Archangel Michael and the dragons of the higher lights. It's going to be very gentle, even if it's extremely powerful in terms of cord cutting. Connecting to your auric field. If you clicked on this video, I assume that your soul validated this cord cutting. May this video find you at the right time. hearing that you're allowing the Empress to come through, nurturing your soul. As a child, you haven't received this nurturing energy. So if I'm talking to a male, you do not know pretty well how to give and to nurture your partner. And if I'm tapping into a divine feminine, you have trouble letting you receive from the divine masculine because of polarity distortion. Let's help you realize. Throat chakra. Also, it's about you speaking your truth. I don't want that anymore. This is what I want. This is what I don't want. Verbalizing, expressing your truth. Taking your power back through it. Liberate, freeing the throat chakra. Soro ukunu uturu ua. Ikara. Ua kiata. Ikara. I'm sorry. Out of your system. Freedom. Cannot make this up. You're literally, I'm hearing, signing for your freedom right now. Confirmation on my phone. Expressing your truth is setting you free. God, I got chills everywhere. Oh my God. Cannot make this up. Judgment. God is calling judgment. I got chills. God is freaking calling judgment upon this person. You just cut it. With the most magnificent, I'm seeing so much roses in my mind's eye, with so much softness, because this is who you're becoming. You see, you're profoundly balancing your system, and this is opening the door. 2 aces, ladies and gentlemen, on the table. Blue, also, as you can see, massive throat healing. This is setting you free to receive love, the real love, because you choose yourself. You allow others to choose you. Rule number 1. The Hierophant is actually choosing the High Priestess. Because the Hierophant is also responding to you setting yourself free, if that makes sense. Again, if you choose yourself, the Hierophant is going to choose you. Extremely powerful. Cannot make this up. You're taking your gold back, your inheritance back, your money back, your energy back, your power back by setting yourself free. So much light is coming your way. I am very honored to be able to help you on your path. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. And until next time, namaste.